All right, well, here is the box. Let's go ahead and open up and see what we got inside. Got a couple instructions, manuals and stuff here. What do we got here? It's like our monitor. I'm guessing this is the camera. Oh yeah, look at that guy. It looks like over here they got like a rubber gasket, and this is a mount. I'm guessing this must be for in the truck or something like that. Haven't read any instructions yet or anything. I'm just unboxing, taking a look. Got some screws, more screws. All right, got some 3N like zip tie things. Huh. Antennas. Looks like they got a power cord here. Another kind of cord here. Another cord. Some antennas. It's like adapter cords or something, maybe for multiple cameras. Some other type of cord here. This looks like a visor to go over the monitor. And a bracket. All right, and this right here is everything that came in the box. Let's go out and go install all this stuff.